Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today we learn numbers. Kids colors name. Green color, brown color, blue color, yellow ochre color, red color, yellow color. Kids now coloring numbers. Kids first you draw 1, the numbers of 1 and use green color. O and 1. Kids again use green color and draw 2. The numbers of 2. TW2. Kids now write 3. The numbers of 3. And use the brown color. THRW3. Kids again use brown color and draw 4. The numbers of 4. FOUR 4. Kids now write 5. The numbers of 5. And use blue color. FIV5. Kids again use blue color and draw 6. The numbers of 6. SIX6. Kids write 7. The numbers of 7. And use yellow ochre color. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw 8. The numbers of 8. Kids write 9. The numbers of 9. And use red color. NIN9. Kids again use red color and draw 10. The numbers of 10. TEN10. Kids write 11. The numbers of 11. And use green color. Kids again use green color and draw 12. The numbers of 12. Kids write 13. The numbers of 13. And use green color. Kids again use green color and draw 14. The numbers of 14. Kids write 15. The numbers of 15. And use brown color. Kids again use brown color and draw 16. The numbers of 16. Kids write 17. The numbers of 17. And use blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw 18. The numbers of 18. Kids today draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.